Laser cutting quality down? Burn marks? Rough edges? Reason is simple: bad air. Laser machines need clean, dry air for smooth and perfect cuts. Moisture, oil, and pressure drop equals bad cuts, nozzle choking, and machine breakdowns. Introducing Airgain Compressor, built for powerful airflow, low noise, and long-lasting performance. High efficiency, heavy-duty motor, and rust-proof tank for any industrial demand. Airgain, power that never stops. Contact us